I don't think we realize that in science we constantly play. We call it experimentation, especially those first time, like the first trial experiments. And I think a lot of us like to do it because it brings you a feeling of like you're doing something new and you might see something that you never saw. But that's only for this first trial, because once you start repeating to get your statistics, it becomes more like routine work. But a lot of us like that first time experiment, and we always feel excited when we are planning a new experiment after we completed the previous one. But we don't really call it a play. Well, because not all of us are introduced to performance and improvisation and science, but I think this experimentation is actually playing, and we all love to do it, like kids like to play. At some point, we have to describe things very precisely for the publications, but in that process of getting to the publication, you have this time to play with your research system, or especially you can play very well with the model, because with the model you can alter a lot of things without doing lots of physical work. I think that's also a very playful area of computational science and modeling.